Welcome to Euron, everyone. My name is Nanshu Kumar, and I'm going to show you something which is going to give you a lot of inspiration, something which is going to give you a lot of motivation altogether. So basically, we keep on saying that age is just a number, right? And we keep on saying these things so many times, right, throughout our life. But there are very few people, literally very few people you will be able to find out in this entire world who is trying to prove that, who is trying to prove a line that age is just a number. And I'm going to show you that kind of example, a practical example. So basically, we have a student. So again, a student, we have so many students, obviously, but we have a student among us whose age is 70 year, right? 70 year. Since last 40 year, he is working in IT industry. He was working, and then he has retired, and then again he has started learning AI, especially generative AI. And he's not just learning, by the way, right? It's not about his journey of learning. He is building it. You can check his website, right? You will be able to see a live link. So he is not just learning, he is trying to build something. He is showing you a demo, and it's just like a 2 to 3 week since we have started the actual generative AI class, but he is trying to put up a lot of effort from his side, and after that he is able to build those things, and literally, believe me, you will be amazed. So we have Ranjit sir's demo, which is coming from today's class itself. I'm going to attach his LinkedIn ID inside a description. So if you would like to connect with him, you can connect with him. And yeah, so if you're looking for some sort of a advice for your life, so maybe he is the best person who can give you advice that in a long run what you should do and what you should not, right? And yeah, I feel you all will feel motivated. So without wasting much of time, let's start demo. So same demo that Ranjit are given inside the class. So I have just like uh, mm, taken that particular portion and attached it with this video so that all of you will be able to get some sort of inspiration. All of you will be able to get some sort of a motivation with that. Thank you so much, everyone. Take care. Watch the demo. And yes, age is just a number. Literally, it's just a number. Just a minute, guys. Just a minute. Just a minute. So yeah, I don't have to wait much. So Ranjit sir, please share your screen. So guys, Ranjit sir is going to show you some demo that he has created. So let's have that demo first, and then I'll start resolving all of your queries. Yeah. So I think Ranjit sir's screen is visible to all of us. Yeah,
And
it's visible.
yeah, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir. Yeah, we can share screen. Please go
Okay,
ahead.
so I have a company called Atal Cloud. Okay,
Okay.
so I created a, an application which is
Okay.
basically a customer support and bot. Okay, and it's a
Okay.
lightweight production style support assistant.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it has got three parts. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and this is in AWS. Okay, so I just today I
Mm-hmm.
put it in AWS.
Okay.
Okay, and
So which
this is
service
high.
you are using, sir? Which service you are using in AWS?
This is very interesting.
Okay.
This service is called Light. What's that? Okay. Uh, yeah, yeah, I will tell you maybe a little later because
Okay. Okay.
I
Okay.
forgot because it's lighthouse something like
Mhm.
that. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
and this service today because this is on Nginx and this
Hmm.
is there was lots of code. It's the first time I deployed something on
Okay.
AWS. Okay,
Mhm.
and now let me tell you what does this application does. Okay, so this
Okay.
application is on Streamlit also. Okay,
Hmm.
and this application is exactly application is on AWS cloud on my website. Okay,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
in fact this is my website, and
Okay.
if I go to home,
Okay.
so this is my website, and basically, and I do lots of project. I did lots of project before for major big companies. Okay,
Hmm.
and now I'm going to put another page here where I'll be. putting all my projects for AI related projects. Okay,
So try to
so
promote Sir Euron as well on your website.
yes, yes. Actually, this is what is this is. I'll show you about this product. Then you will realize that okay. So
Okay.
basically, it's a customer support first,
Okay.
and then the
Okay.
second part is employee support, and the
Okay.
third part is Yuri. So
Okay.
I have integrated Yuri's model here.
Mm-hmm.
First, let's start with customer support. So
Mm-hmm.
customer support. So basically, I have policy documents
Mm-hmm.
for the support of the customer,
Mm-hmm.
and suppose if I want to search something which is predefined, and I click a search button,
Mm-hmm.
and it is going to show me
Mm-hmm.
okay the rank, score, ID, and then
Mm-hmm.
it's going to show me the title of that, because this title is a return something. Okay, and this is
Mm-hmm.
going to be snippet that okay, this particular has 0.53
Mm-hmm.
score. So this is the result for that. This is the because top. So this is the exactly answer to the question over here. Suppose if I
Mm-hmm.
go to select another one,
Mm-hmm.
and I search here. So this is international shipping, for example. So this international shipping here, okay, comes on the top. So this is the answer for that question. And I can even put here any type my own queries, okay, and
Mm-hmm.
then it will go ahead from the database. So what I have used here is okay. So this is basically internal policy using Open AI model and
Mm-hmm.
via URI, okay, and plus I have used face for the storing of the embeddings, okay, and from URI I took this embedding model, okay.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
first to create the chunking of course done by the other way, but to create the embeddings, okay.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
and then uh, uh, this particular shows you top K, how many top K if you want to get only maybe four answer or three answer, for example, it will provide you now four answer. It will not provide you four answer, and you can go to even three. So it will
Mm-hmm.
provide you three answers. Okay, and I believe there is okay. So so this one is for the customer supports. So anything customer related will come here, and then if there is suppose an employee is not doing fine, but he needs to be trained, so then we have the employee support. So what is it does is that there is a CSV file that has got question and answers. So basically, this is training. So suppose that employee is not doing good, he needs to go for a training. So
Mm-hmm.
for example, this is a I mean that what is the standard US shipping time after processing? For example, I can select let's suppose any answer. Okay, so basically, if an employee needs to be trained, so he can go ahead and do training here. So if I check my answers, it will tell you how many are correct and how many are wrong. So why they
Mm-hmm.
are correct, why they are wrong, and then what is the source it's coming from, okay, and what is the ID, okay. So basically, it tells me exactly that what a person can redo, retake the quiz and pass the quiz and then become the sport basically to help the sport. So he can retake the quiz. Suppose if he retakes the quiz is still there. The only
Mm-hmm.
answers which are not correct, he can answer those. Okay, and then basically suppose if I select this one, what does uh, what does the 1 year warranty cover? So maybe it covers defect material, for example. Okay, and I check answers. Now there are two correct. Okay, before that there was only one correct. See, now there are two. So basically, these are the two correct answers now. So and 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 like this, I can take the training again. And if I need to suppose start from beginning, so there is a where is yeah, reset button. So this reset button will reset everything. So this basically all the I can take the training from the start again. And if there is another, you have got another CSV, for example, that has got more number of questions, for example 100 questions, so there is no problem. So this one you can upload the your question and answer file, so it will be basically provide you the training. The instead of 5 questions, you can have 100 questions.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
this is for the employee support, okay. And the third part here is you see here there is a browse file
Hmm.
button, okay,
Hmm.
so that you can put the new file and right away it will be here coming here. There is no, it's basically because there is no embedding involved here. This is just a question answer. Basically, it's a training, okay. And
Hmm.
the
Hmm.
third piece I have put in the chat Yuri. So here what I have done is, and so chat theory is basically it's using your model 4.1 GPT, and it
Hmm.
is using your completion what you call
API.
that
AP.
URL
Yeah.
you have APIs. And here, for example, so this is system is saying your Atal Cloud's helpful assistant,
Hmm.
big in size and accurate. So it will provide you the temperature. So basically, temperature is 20 point 2 here, and tokens are 400. You can increase the token maybe maximum 2000 something. Okay,
Hmm.
but
Hmm.
400 is by default. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
so and I can answer. Let's say provide uh, a Python uh, function on sort, for example. It doesn't matter. So you could have any question. So it is going to give you this
Hmm. Hmm.
example, and of course that, and then again you can write here. Let's say, hello, where is London, for example. I mean, just any example,
Hmm.
London. So I want to show you something here, and so if I say yes, so here, so this provide you the answer, but then you see this bar it moves. So
Hmm.
the bar from up it has moved here, so it is
Hmm.
you are always like very close
Hmm.
to to what you are asking basically.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
it more that you will have to go there up and type your question. So
Hmm.
basically, and then it provides you the clear chat. So this chat is clear now,
Hmm. Hmm.
so you can start from the chat. So I
Hmm.
have integrated uh, with your URI, okay, and then employee support, then customer support. Then I have put this on the Atal cloud, on sorry, and on the AWS, okay,
Hmm.
and I have used in such a way that this is extremely secure. This is on virtual private cloud. I don't have to create endpoint security. I don't have to create private links. Everything is taken care by default by AWS. Okay,
Hmm.
and this goes very bare minimum cost, and it has got a. I have got 2 trillion uh, uh, what's that transfer means available of the it's a very big model, okay,
Hmm.
and and,
Hmm.
and 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 it costs no money. I mean, very little money. I spent only $7 per month, and it's free for 3 months a month.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
Okay, and and this is it's an VPS, a virtual private service. Okay,
Hmm.
yeah,
Hmm.
and I put this today. I spent few hours just trying to because it's the first time I deployed something on AWS, and it's a big application. So basically, this application is this is my insignia,
Hmm. Hmm.
and this is basically a name, and it has got so many things like it's a for example, if I talk that front end is streamlit with the custom HTML, CSS, sticky brand header. I have got Jabra style tables, and it's a CSV download. Then embedding, I have got OpenAI text embedding, three small, basically invoked by via URI platform, which is OpenAI compatible endpoint. And I have got
Hmm.
vector store, which is phase, and phase has got inner product on L2 normalized vector, and I have got chat LLM, which is Yori chat completion. Basically, default model I have used GPT 4.1 nano, and the data I have used is JSON and CSV. Basically, it's a tiny phase index committed for basically demo convenience. So it could be extended to any number. I mean, the way it is. Uh, right now, I have put only tiny data just for the demo purpose. Yes, you were talking about which service I have used. It's called
Hmm.
Light Sail. The
Okay, light
service
cell
is
again. Hmm.
yes, Light Sail, and it is also on the cloud for Streamlit Cloud and on here. So basically, and also it's in what we call in GitHub. And also the first time I put something on the GitHub, I never really I have all this code here. Then I have got my site here where I want to put all these all my because I'm working on so many things. So I want to show you something here also. Hmm. Can you see?
That, yeah, I can see. No, sir. I think you have stopped sharing your screen. Please share once again.
How to share?
Again, down, you will be able to see the up arrow button, share button. Same
I
way. Like,
don't. No, I don't see anything.
uh,
Uh, where is
okay, let me share once
no?
and then, yeah. Now, can you see the sharing option?
Allow this time and then zoom. Uh,
Just
no,
just
no, I
below in a
where
zoom basically.
I don't know where.
So anyone else, Angad, can you please share a screen? Try sharing a screen so that we can test because I can see the option from my side.
I don't see here.
Is my screen
Yeah,
Uh,
visible?
yeah. So Angad's screen is visible, right? So in the similar manner,
oh
sir.
yeah, yeah, oh yeah. Okay, yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
so
Now
Angad,
this is
please stop sharing the screen for some time so that Ranjit sir can share. Let me finish his like, yeah, yeah.
now. So do you see this?
Yes. We can
And
see it. Yeah.
so this is another project which I am working on. Okay,
Okay.
it is not complete yet, but it is what it
Mm-hmm.
is there. So
Mm-hmm.
basically, suppose a company has a 100 employees. So this is for 100. So it can be extended to 5,000. It doesn't matter, or 10,000, because this is a very good program. So what it
Okay.
is showing is that, so basically, it I load the metadata. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
basically, metadata will be loaded here. Maybe I should start from the beginning. And how to start from the beginning? Should I maybe
Yeah,
refresh this?
load the URL. Yeah, load the URL. It will start from the
Okay.
beginning.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Now.
basically, this is a employee's thumbnail search. So it is
Mhm.
on the clip and face. So face is
Okay.
that embedding for use, and the clip is for the image. So basically, it does the image similarity, and so basically, click on any image to use as a query. So it's a gallery. So basically, I have that metadata stored here in these two files. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so and then it will the moment I will click load metadata,
Mm-hmm.
so it will show you the images, all those thumbnails. So this
Mm-hmm.
so basically these are thumbnails. Okay, right
Mm-hmm.
now they are 100, and if I want to search something, suppose a department,
Mm-hmm.
a company has maybe 10 department. So suppose if company has a engineering manager, HR specialist, marketing coordinator, if I just click here and I want to run as a pre set query. Okay, so I can now here see that there is nobody here from this department. Let's see if I maybe click here and oh, not here. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. Maybe I'm having the wrong. Okay, okay. Search by text. Oh, I think I'm connecting to the wrong file. So otherwise, you will see here on here that all those people belonging to this department, you will see them all their thumbnails here, and then it will tell you that what role they have and what is the department they belong to, and then we can do this, and it will be able to you can upload any image, and then it will do the similarity search,
Okay.
and it will give you a similarity score. So maybe the next time when this is ready, so I want to put this also on my site. So basically, I want to create so many different programs.
So, sir, in this one, basically, you are using like a direct. So, you are doing a search with the metadata, or you are doing a search with the image directly, image
So
pixels.
the search is with the there are two things. So
Hmm.
image for the image, but but to bring data, I go for this metadata search
Okay.
for that.
Okay.
So it's
Hmm.
doing two types of searching.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
it's doing because that's why I needed a clip to do that searching image for image searching. Okay,
Hmm.
but then it does go with the metadata. So because you see role, what is role? That will come through a metadata,
Hmm.
and for
Hmm.
that you don't need clip. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
and so two types of searching means it's doing the searching. So so how do you like these two products which are
That's amazing, sir. Like that too, in a fourth or fifth class, you are showing us these things. So, what about what is your feedback, guys? Everyone, if
So
you
very
can
inspiring.
bring us, yeah.
Yes,
So,
very good.
and see, Ranjit sir's age is 70 year, right? And still he's having an interest in a technology. Still he is learning. He's doing it something on his own, right? So he's trying to like think about the product, and then he's trying to like building something. So I think it's inspiration for all of us, sir. Especially like people like me, who is half of your age, maybe lesser than that. But if we are not doing something like this, then it's the same on us, I would say.
Mhm. Hmm.
But yeah,
No,
it's
thank you.
amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing, and I believe in next 2 3 months you will be able to create a lot, right? Because obviously we'll keep on adding a lot of like learnings experiences, and even after tomorrow you will be able to build a lot of things. Tomorrow,
Yes.
wait for tomorrow's class, right?
Uh,
I'll show you so many things tomorrow.
yeah, actually, so many things I have in the pipeline which I have done. They are 50% or 70% done. So many
Yeah.
projects based upon what you gave the projects. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
and but right now it was a challenge to put this on AWS. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
it was lots of work. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
and also first time I used the GitHub. I never used the GitHub before. It was
Okay.
challenge. It was
Hmm.
challenge to get that GitHub also
Hmm. Hmm.
cleaned up
Hmm.
properly, and
Hmm.
then basically also the way I have done this the project which I showed you.
Hmm.
So this project is like a it's a very secure and I believe that with maybe little bit modification it could be used somewhere for the good purpose. Yeah,
Obviously, sir. Obviously, and
yeah.
just wait for tomorrow's class. Believe me, in the same project, you will do a modification.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
You will do a
okay,
lot of
good.
modification,
Yeah.
and
Eh,
it will be amazing one in that
mhm.
way.
But okay, but I will need your help in one case. Okay, see, I have my site here. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
so this site I built maybe 7 8 months ago.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
so 100% of the site is built by me on AWS.
That's amazing, sir. That's amazing. Another
And
label.
yes, so this was everything here
Hmm.
is all cloud, and I built this whole of this site and basically put it here with all these generative AI. So I'm going to change, of course, a lot of things. Okay, at
Hmm.
that time, okay, these are also images created by AI. I mean, seven,
Hmm.
8 months ago,
Hmm.
maybe.
Hmm.
Okay, I think okay, and so services and my projects, and then of course there are team like I'm trying to build some people. I'm trying to some friend. Okay, this is me.
Okay. Okay. That's amazing, sir. Good to see your face. Yeah, that's amazing.
Yeah, yeah, and of course contact us.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
so basically, this was created last year. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so now my question to you is maybe it's you can very quickly help me that
Sure. Yeah. Yeah.
how come this application this site is right now is not searchable.
Hmm.
So maybe I mean, how can I make this application, this site that people are able to search it?
Okay, so basically you are this Atal Cloud, right?
Yes, yeah. Atal Cloud is my company.
Okay, so basically you are talking about the SEO,
Yes, yes, yes,
search
yeah,
engine optimization.
such,
Okay,
yeah.
Okay.
So if you can
So
provide me some guidance on that.
not a guidance, maybe I can just engage one or two people from my side, from my team, because I
Okay.
have a tech team, right? Because in terms of SEO, so we try to like update lots of like root files,
Mm-hmm.
right? Robot txt files we try to update, we try to do a indexings over there, and
Mm-hmm.
plus we try to do a cdn mapping.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe I can try to engage one people. I think they will sit for maybe 1 or 2 days, and they will be able to configure it in that way. But yeah,
Mm-hmm.
search on a Google search will be like anyone, if they are searching with the name, they will be able to search it immediately
Mm-hmm.
within like a 1 or 2 weeks. So once we'll do the do this things, right. Once my team will do this thing, so I think anyone is going to search it and they will be able to get it. And then if you would like to like rank your website, then you have to run the ads or maybe some social like connects. Basically, like if you are posting a lot on a LinkedIn, on Twitter, right?
Mm-hmm.
So even it will increase the SEO of your website. So your website will come on top. But
Mm-hmm.
if you are facing a problem in terms of doing a search on a Google, if Google is not
Mm-hmm.
able to search this particular page, it simply means that that robot.txt is missing or some indexing is missing. So I think my team can fix it quickly.
Yeah, I mean, if you want, I can pay them also. I mean,
No,
that's
no, no,
okay.
not an issue, sir. It is not a big task. It's a very small task, right?
Okay.
But yeah, it needs to be done for any website.
Okay. Okay. Yeah,
So,
yeah, yeah. If you can help me in that, so basically, then this site will start coming, and I can even hire a Google service also after that,
okay.
because to rank my site, and basically, because I'm excited from Gen AI purpose. Like I was, I retired. I retired a couple
Okay.
of years ago, but then I
Mm-hmm.
came back because I felt I was bored. So
Okay. No,
it's
it's literally like inspiring for all of us, sir. I mean, like
yeah. I say
looking
I
at
had very
you.
big, yeah. I had very big project. Basically, say Novalis, which is Birlaj of India. Okay,
Hmm,
so
hmm,
I migrated their all their Brazilian application in Spanish applications. Okay,
hmm, hmm,
they were in Spanish language. So
hmm,
for and this is Aditya Birla's company.
hmm,
Okay.
hmm,
And then, of course, Daimler Chrysler, I was the architect lead there for
hmm,
4 years.
hmm,
And then Toyota, one of their application, Toyota's application, I improved to 16,000%.
hmm,
16,000%.
hmm, hmm,
So for one day of my work, they saved more than $50,000.
hmm. That's amazing.
Yeah, and with the Daimler Chrysler, basically when it was the Daimler Chrysler, I was the lead architect there,
Hmm,
and one of my program at that time I created was in 11 languages,
hmm, hmm,
11 languages in
hmm,
and that application I created from scratch, and 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 that was in more than 20 years ago.
hmm, hmm. We have not
And
even started. Especially, I have not even started my IT career. Maybe I was
yeah,
in like
yeah,
a seventh or eighth standard at that point of a
yeah,
time.
yeah, yeah. This was in 2004.
Oh, so like I did my 10th in 2007.
Yes.
So I
Yeah,
was in the
and
seventh, sixth or seventh class by the time.
yeah, say in 1997, I led IBM teams for Procter and Gamble headquarters Cincinnati in 1997. So yeah, so that was SAP, Lotus, and Word, Microsoft Office project. Okay, so part of the project was led by me for IBM. Okay, IBM USA.
That's
And
amazing,
then
sir.
then this was for Northern Trust. It's a major bank for TCS. So I was the lead for TCS to migrate the applications. And Fiat Chrysler, I migrated their 600 plus business critical applications. So these were the like what you call whole of the uh, application were retired by me.
Hmm.
So I got the highest credentials from them. It's called they call it Dynamite Award.
Hmm.
And from Toyota also I got the highest order of awards. Okay. From Northern Trust also I got the this was for TCS. I led TCS teams here,
Hmm. Hmm.
20 people TCS team. Okay. And for General Motor, I got the excellence award from CIO of General Motor. Only one award is given at the end of the year. So
Hmm.
I decommissioned their whole quick place infrastructure, which they were trying for a very long time. But when I joined, I just as a senior solution architect. This was also this was in 2010 or 2011. How many years ago? 15, almost
Yeah,
14,
like
15.
15 year ago.
We are
Yes.
on
So,
diaper.
sorry, yeah. So, quick place infrastructure. It was a complete retirement of the infrastructure, which, like, they saved. You know how many millions dollar they saved. Oh my God, huge, huge. Super. And then this Cigna Healthcare. This was the project. Uh, I say that 99% of the United States pharma companies data. So all the Medicare rebates they are by this program which I this was created from end to end. Like they had this project was not existing before. So this project, how much more than $3 billion, more than $3 billion of Medicare rebates every month processed through this application, which I created from scratch, from ground
Hmm.
zero.
Hmm.
First in Snowflake, then in AWS,
Hmm. Hmm.
and then 800 plus pharma companies of United States. So all the Medicare rebates, they were processed through this application, which I created from scratch for them. Huge application, which used to take, I think maybe 60 hours to run, but by the time I re-architected the whole system, because neither AWS was able to do anything,
Hmm.
nor Tableau. So Tableau was, see, the visualization was done through Tableau.
Hmm.
Okay. Now Tableau, uh, uh, they, I 3 months I worked with them, try to improve. They gave up. They said it's not possible.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
what I did, I I brought the timelines show like it used to take maybe 40 hours to process to only 3 4 hours, which they said it's not possible. So I was able to do something which they said we don't have any APIs. There is no way to do anything. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
and then once I did it, they said nobody has ever been able to do. I was the only one in the world who was able to do. Uh, Basically, their servers, I modified their servers in such a way without touching their servers. Okay, so without touching, I mean without their APIs, so I was able to. Oh,
Very, very few people like
yes, it's not
the.
possible. And see that, and then again with with AWS Redshift also. So I did parallel processing on top of their massively parallel processing, which they
Hmm.
said is not possible.
Hmm. Hmm.
So yeah, so this is what I did. Then I
That that's
retired,
a
but
that's an amazing experience, sir. So I think it's just an inspiration for all of us. All of us means literally like and yeah, I think we have to go a very very long way. I don't know like many of us don't even know like by the time we'll be at your age we'll be active or not in life.
well, well, I started when I was almost 40 years old.
Hmm. Hmm.
Wow.
See, because before that I never knew how to type ABC. So
Hmm.
basically,
Hmm.
I started learning typing when I was almost 40-year old.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, so
Hmm.
then I did a diploma in
Hmm.
computer science and I started working. See,
That's amazing, sir. That's
yeah,
amazing.
yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
so you'll be able to help me in that.
Easily, sir.
In
Easily, yeah. I will be able to help you out. Plus, I'll suggest you one more thing, and this is not suggestion for you. This is suggestion for all of us, basically. That start posting on LinkedIn, whatever work that you are
yes.
doing, right? Maybe with a URL, with a URL, with a snippet, because what will happen? Organically, people will see your work, and organically, people will start promoting you. Organically, people will start clicking on your URLs, and eventually that will bring a traffic. So eventually you will end up doing SEOs of your entire website, and this is how you will be able to increase the search indexing in next 3 to 6 months because it takes time. 3 to 6 months of time, and immediately once my team will be engaged, right? So within a week of time, I think it will be searchable. Means anyone can come and anyone can search your website, right? But to do a proper SEO, you need a like a proper promotion. Organic, you can go ahead with that. Like organic means continuously daily post something about your work, your website, your project that you are doing, or the client that you have served, or the experience that you have, right? So and you have a lot of experience, right? You have a lot of experience, so keep on posting it, right? Blindly, maybe twice or thrice a day, maybe via a text, maybe via images or anything. And that's the only game, uh, and things will work, things will happen, people will like know about you, people will start discovering you automatically.
So how do I contact now your people, or they will contact me? What's the?
I have already pinged you on a WhatsApp. I think yesterday
Oh,
itself I have pinged you on a WhatsApp.
oh,
Right.
okay. Sorry.
Yeah. So yesterday or maybe day before yesterday. Yeah. Over there itself, maybe by Monday or Tuesday. So I'll
Okay.
allocate someone.
Okay.
By
Good.
mostly
Thank
by
you very
Tuesday.
much.
Tuesday. Yeah. I'll try to allocate someone from my team.
Yeah. Good. I appreciate your help then very
Always
much.
welcome, sir. Yeah. Always. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Angad,
Thank
please share the screen.